Welcome back to the trade recap video, guys. Today we are going to making two recaps because I never got around to making my recap from Friday, so that's why you're going to see me in the same outfit for both of these videos because I'm making them both on the same day. But let's get right into the first recap. We won today. Today's Tuesday. We won today, but let's get into Friday's trade so I can show you exactly what I took. Where is it? Monday was yesterday. Friday's all the way up here. Let's see what I took exactly. Alright, so kind of this 5 minute. Let's just back up so we don't lose our spot. Alright, so come on Friday. This is the trade we took. It was still based off the Wick model. But it was a loser. We ended up losing a little bit over $1,000 on Friday. But what it was based off was we had this 10 a.m. key open right here. One candle. And it was a little bit premature, I will say, but it was still ultimately a good setup. We had this 10 a.m. open, wick off of this low, and ultimately form off of this fair value gap. All right, so we had EQ of this 5 minute rejection block with also a bullish 10 a.m. open close candle. The reason why I also like this was because we opened 10 a.m. really low, so I was expecting us to end up higher and ultimately create new all-time highs. So I went in a little bit something like this. I had my entry right here, with my standard 10-point stop, and I was just targeting this opposing 5 minute up here. And ultimately, as we can see, we get tagged in. Where is it? We get tagged in right here and ultimately stopped out almost immediately. And we continue to just dump lower. Um, Higher time frame, in my opinion, looked like it wanted to push higher. We had it respect this 4 hour fair value gap with resting lows above or resting highs above. And ultimately, it looked like higher time frame wanted to push higher, so that's why I was liking that long. But in hindsight, we did end up pushing lower, and it did end up being a losing trade. But it doesn't really matter because I followed my trade plan and executed mechanically, like you should as a profitable trader. So that's going to wrap up this trade recap video. It is the first loser of the month. We kept it small, but let's wrap this up. Learn something new, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.